Hello, listener. Welcome to my podcast, where I explore the business success story. Today, I'm diving into a company that has shaped the modern world, Intel Corporation. Founded in 1968 by Gordon Marsh and Robert Noyce, Intel is one of the large and famous semiconductor company. It's based in California but has a global presence. Intel's primary offering is its microprocessor, the brain behind most computer and server. These chips are used in personal computer, laptop, gaming console, and enterprise-level data center. Some of their famous products used by millions worldwide include the Intel Core processor i3, i5, i7, and i9. That's not all. Intel also offers chipset, networking solution, and specialized processor for AI, 5G, and IoT. They target a diverse market from individual consumer to corporation. So, why is Intel so relevant to technology and agility? Let's break it down. First, Intel has been over 15 years. The first commercially available microprocessor was Intel 404, created in 1971. Since then, they have continued to push the limits of what processor can do, and they have maintained their agility by adapting to industry trends. When AMD became a serious competitor, Intel responded with innovative hybrid architecture in the newer processor, combining performance and efficiency core. They are also expanding into GPU with Intel ARC, aiming to compete with NVIDIA. Intel relevant to agility also shine in its manufacturing. They have adopted their IDM 2.0 strategy, allowing them to produce their chip and serve as a foundry for other companies. This flexibility positions them as a key player in the global supply chain. Let's explore how Intel apply agile practice to maintain in such competitive industry. Intel is a master of interactive development, which is all about continuous improvement in product and service. Think about their processor generation Pentium, Core, and their 12th and 3rd gen processor with hybrid architecture. Each generation isn't just an upgrade, but a result from years of testing, customer feedback, and optimization cycles. They roll out new features like improving power efficiency or higher core count based on changing demand. At Intel, cross-functionality are essential. Engineer, designer, marketer, and data science collaborate to create products that meet technical and market needs. When developing AI chip, Intel brings together hardware engineer, AI researcher, and external partner like developer to ensure the chip works seamlessly. And this teamwork isn't limited to just product creation. Intel also use agile practice like daily stand-up to align team, discuss progress, and quickly address challenge. This ensures everyone from R&D to sales is on the same page. They are not just building chip, they are solving problems for their customers' needs. Intel works closely with cloud providers like AWS and Microsoft Azure to develop processor optimized for data center. They also collaborate with PC manufacturers like Dell and Lenovo to design chips that meet user needs, such as better battery life or enhanced gaming performance. And let's not forget how they gather feedback. Intel retrospective after product launch allow them to analyze what worked, what did, and what needs improvement. It's all about listening to their customers and making data-driven adjustments. Let's kick things off by discussing the type of data Intel collects. First, their customer data, things like user feedback, purchasing pattern, and even how device powered by Intel chip perform in the real world. They also collect product performance data, which is metric from chip testing, error rate, power efficiency, and performance benchmark. This helps Intel improve existing product and design better one. They also collect market data like industry trend and competitor analysis to stay agile in a competitive landscape. But collecting data is just the start. Intel rely on KPI to track progress toward goals like reducing chip production time or improving yield rate in manufacturing. And this agile doesn't stop here. Intel uses data to inform decisions about product pivot. Let's say a product isn't meet customer expectation. Data from customer feedback and product performance can guide Intel to either refine the product or shift focus entirely. Let's explore how Intel responds to emerging technology. As demand for AI-ready hardware skyrocketed, Intel invested heavily in developing processors like their Xeon-capable CPU and Movida's neutral compute stick. This product addressed the needs of industries like healthcare, automotive, and finance, where AI drives innovation. Another area is their response to the 5G revolution. Intel recognized that 5G isn't just about faster internet, it's the backbone for smart city, IoT device, and autonomous vehicle. Intel agility shines in how they handle customer feedback. When gamer and creative demanded better graphics, Intel stepped into the GPU market with their Intel ARC GPU. Competing with giants like Nvidia wasn't easy, but Intel leveraged customer insight to deliver affordable and high-quality GPU design for gaming and content creation. Let's not forget their response to competitor action. When AMD Ryzen processors start outperforming Intel didn't just sit back. They reimagined their architecture and introduced 12-chain Alder Lake processor. They are not afraid to pivot when challenges arise. During the global semiconductor shortage, Intel expanded its manufacturing capability and launched the Integrated Device Manufacturing (IDM 2.0) strategy. This allowed them to address supply chain distribution while also serving external customers as a foundry. Intel also used agile practice to fuel this adaptability. Their product development team frequently assess progress, ensuring they align with market demand, and throughout retrospective, they learn from past product launch, whether a hit or a miss. No business story is complete without a look at the hurdles along the way. One of their big challenges is resistance to change, especially in a company established as Intel. Intel dominance in PC processor made it difficult to pivot when the market began shifting toward mobile device and cloud computing. They struggled to adapt for a time because of the core business. Intel also encountered competition-driven challenges such as when AMD began outperforming its processor in terms of price and performance. It forced Intel to rethink how they approach innovation and product development. So, how did they overcome this hardness? Let's start with resistance to change. Intel tackled this with the shift toward agile practice. They create cross-functional teams that explore emerging technology like AI, 5G, and autonomous vehicle. By promoting collaboration, they slowly build a culture that embraces innovation and flexibility. They introduce processors like their 12-chain Alder Lake, which use a hybrid architecture combining performance and efficiency core. This was a direct response to market demand and competitor pressure. Let's not forget their integrated device manufacturing (IDM 2.0) strategy. They address both competition and supply chain challenge by expanding their manufacturing capability and opening up their foundry to other companies. This pivot not only helped Intel compete but also diversified their revenue stream. Now, let's wrap things up by reflecting on their journey. From their early dominance in PC processor to their recent pivot into AI, GPU, and 5G technology, they have consistently shown a willingness to adapt and evolve. Their story is an excellent example of how agility isn't a one-time transformation. It's a continuous commitment to innovate and flexibility. Intel started as a semiconductor manufacturer, but over time they expand into diverse areas like AI and autonomous driving. This wasn't easy. They faced resistance to change, fierce competition, and global supply chain challenge. They lean on agile practice like collaboration, interactive development, and customer-centric thinking to navigate this obstacle, and their use of data has been equally transformative. Intel's ability to turn massive amount of information into action insight is what keeps them ahead. So, where does Intel go from here? Let's talk about their future vision. One trend Intel will likely embrace is the rise of AI-driven agile tools. Imagine using machine learning to predict product demand, optimize workflow, or even provide real-time insight during sprint planning. This tool could make their agile process faster and more precise. With advanced data analytics, Intel could deepen relationship with their client. Whether navigating today's challenge or preparing for tomorrow's opportunity, Intel continues to set the standards. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and remember, agility is the key to thriving in any industry. Goodbye, everyone.